Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to sell your crypto on Binance. For that you need to launch your Binance mobile application, and here you need to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, by default you will be on the overview page. So on the overview page you can view your cryptos that you own in your Binance account, or you can even tap on the spot option. Now in order to sell your crypto, you just have to simply select that particular crypto which you want to sell, and then you just have to simply select its pair. Let's say I want to sell Solana and in return I want to get USDT. So you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for Gala and select the pair of Gala/USDT. After that, tap on the sell option that would be in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be landed on this type of page. Here the first thing that you need to make sure is it is selected on limit or the market order. So in the limit order you can sell your crypto on the given price that is over here, but you can even use the plus and the minus icon in order to set the price of your choice. After that, you need to just use the slider and it will take the amount of Gala that you have in your account and show you the equivalent USDT that you are going to get. Now once you are okay with it, tap on the sell option and your selling order will be placed and it will show you in the open orders history. So from here, whenever the price approaches to this price that you have set, your order will be placed and you will be able to sell your crypto on Binance. So thanks for watching this video. I see you next time.